Ever wished you could easily swap out your steering wheel without turning your car's interior into a permanent construction zone? This little adapter from NRG Innovations promises exactly that, and it might just be the game changer you've been looking for, especially if you're a Toyota enthusiast. We're diving into the NRG Innovations NRG-SRK-120H Racing Style Steering Wheel Quick Release Short Hub Adapter. Now, NRG is known for offering a massive selection of steering wheels, but it's their innovation in the quick release game that really stands out. This particular short hub adapter is a prime example. Its patented design is genuinely brilliant. What does that mean for you? It means you can install a quick release system and still keep your aftermarket steering wheel at a comfortable, close-to-stock dimension. No more feeling like your wheel is practically in your lap, which is a common complaint with longer hub adapters. This is a huge win for ergonomics and driving comfort, whether you're on the street or hitting the track. But it doesn't stop there. NRG also boasts the only dual-spring self-indexing quick releases on the market. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates directly into a smoother, more secure, and incredibly satisfying engagement every single time you attach your steering wheel. You just slide it on, and it clicks perfectly into place without any fumbling or guesswork. Disconnecting is just as effortless. The black body gives it a sleek, racing-inspired look that will complement any performance interior. Now, let's talk compatibility, because this is where the NRG-SRK-120H really shines for a specific crowd. If you own a classic Toyota, listen up. This adapter is designed for a wide range of models, from the 8790 Camry, 8293 Celica, and 8400 Corolla, all the way to the 9398 Supra, 9050 for Tacoma, and even the iconic Mr. 2 and Mr. S models. That's an impressive list, showing NRG's commitment to supporting a huge segment of the enthusiast community. The standard 6x17 bolt pattern means it's ready for most aftermarket steering wheels, making customization a breeze. Considering its compact package dimensions, just 6.35 x 12.7 L x 12.7 W centimeters, it's clear this adapter is engineered for efficiency and minimal intrusion. It feels robust in hand, giving you confidence in its durability and performance. For anyone looking to add a quick release system without compromising their driving position or dealing with a bulky setup, this NRG short hub adapter is a fantastic solution. It delivers on its promises of convenience, security, and smart design. So, if you're a Toyota owner eyeing a steering wheel upgrade, the NRG-SRK-120H offers an amazing blend of patented technology and thoughtful engineering. It's a solid choice that truly enhances the driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.